Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to merge accounts in your chart of accounts in Zoho Books. This is a useful way to consolidate, duplicate, or unnecessary accounts while preserving all your transaction history in one place. First, open a web browser and head over to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the Zoho Books homepage, look at the top right corner and click on Sign In. Enter your Zoho credentials to access your account. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can manage all your financial data. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the Accountant module. This section houses all your accounting tools and reports. Within the Accountant menu, you'll find an option called Chart of Accounts. Click on it to view the full list of all your active and inactive accounts. Now take a moment to identify the two accounts you want to merge. You need to decide which account you want to keep as your main account and which one you want to remove. The account you remove will have all its transactions transferred to the one you're keeping, so choose carefully. Once you've made your decision, click on the account you want to remove. You'll see a three dots icon appear. Click on it and select Delete from the menu. A pop-up window will appear, and this is where the merge process begins. In that pop-up window, look for the bulk update link or button and click on it. This feature allows you to handle all the transactions tied to the account you're deleting. You'll see a list of all transactions associated with that account. To select them all at once, click the checkbox at the top of the transactions list. This saves you from having to select each transaction individually. After selecting all transactions, click the Update button at the bottom of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, prompting you to choose a destination account. From this menu, select the account you want to keep. This is the account where all the transactions will be moved. Finally, click Replace to complete the merge. Zoho Books will transfer all transactions from the old account to your chosen destination account, effectively merging the two. The old account will be removed, and your chart of accounts will be cleaner and more organized. And that's it. You've successfully merged two accounts in Zoho Books, keeping your financial records accurate and streamlined. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.